Hello and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, I will cover our cross-asset list. I will speak about coffee market, WTI, US 100, USD yen, pound dollar, euro dollar, US 30, gold market, dollar index, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will begin with the coffee market. So what we have here is the daily time frame of the coffee market, and we can see that really nothing changed relative to yesterday and relative to the previous update. So market is trading around 188.60, which is basically a middle Bollinger Band, and we are in the multi-week consolidation with resistance at 197.92 and support around 180.90 mark. So for any bigger direction, any meaningful direction, I would like to see the breakout of either resistance or support. The breakout of support at 180.90 mark can mark further downside move towards 175.80 or even 165.50, which is this swing low area from mid-November last year. In case of the upside breakout of the 187.95, there will be a chance then for retest of 200 free level, and then maybe even higher towards 205, 210 level. So far, consolidation and pretty much contraction that is happening on the daily time frame. WTI, we can see another market that is doing the consolidation. We had attempt upside last week, so market you can see here went all the way to the almost 81 mark. Try to go again here, but close in the middle, sign of weakness. So this is not particularly a strong environment. Upper and lower Bollinger Band are pretty flat together with this middle Bollinger Band, but the slow line is sloping to the downside, with the fast line is just correcting a bit. So this is not a good sign for the upside movement. And in case of the downside breakout of the support, so I will say if the market can break 76 area or 75.50, there can be a potential for a downside movement and drop towards the 71.90 mark. In case of the upside breakout, the 80.90 mark, there will be a chance for the rally towards 83.40 or even all the way towards 89.70 mark. So that's the situation on the crude oil at this point. So waiting for the breakout and for the market to get out of this consolidation. Now US 100, you can see that it's still holding strong, this middle Bollinger Band. See the slow line is sloping to the downside, the fast line is correcting, but the key resistance is 18,410 mark, and the upper Bollinger Band for 18,422. In case of the upside breakout of that resistance, then we can see the 19,000 mark to be on the test, but is the downside breakout of the 17,881, there will be a chance for the test of the lower Bollinger Band and 17,615, or maybe even this pin bar low at 17,341. So that is the situation. Again, consolidation around a rising middle Bollinger Band. So we have a short-term, definitely short mid-term upside trend. No major breakdown or break of this structure. USD Japanese yen, let's take a look what we have here. So market had a downside breakout of this contraction for a couple of days, traded lower, but then as alerted yesterday, there was a pullback and we had a buy day yesterday. Today market is still inside the previous day range, and we had a tail on the hourly time frame at 148.18 level. And in case of upside breakout, this is a key pivot level for today. If we can break 148.16, 17 mark, there will be a chance for a full retrace, maybe for all the way towards the 149.40 mark. And that 149.40 mark is also middle Bollinger Band in the daily time frame. So in case of the upside breakout of the previous day high and hold above 149.39, will be next upside objective, a short term on USD Japanese yen. Pound dollar is doing the pullback. We can see the bear cross the daily time frame. Yesterday's close was closed in the middle, which is a not sign of weakness, but it's more like a strength. Still, if we take a look at the hourly time frame, it seems like that there is a more chance for the downside movement on the pound. We had a natural reaction and no significant break on the upside. So there is still chance for lower prices in the pound. Maybe the retest of 1.2748 can be in the play, or even lower. So even this middle Bollinger Band. So let me just place the horizontal line here. Maybe even area around 1.2713 can be in the play in next period. Now we have a euro versus US dollar, pretty much consolidation last couple of days. We had a fresh bear cross around the 75.80 mark on stochastic oscillator. Yesterday was a pretty much indecision day. So let's take a look at the hourly time frame. You can see it's a pretty flat environment with a support at 1.0902 and I will say resistance of the spin bar high at 1.0981. So I would like to see the breakout of this range, the downside breakout. We can see potential retest of middle Bollinger Band area around 1.0865. Upside breakout can lead euro even towards 1.1113. Now we have US 30, so we have another fresh bull cross on this one, but so far consolidation is happening in the last few weeks, I would say. Resistance at 39,281, upper Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band around 38,500. I would like to see the breakout of either support or resistance to confirm further direction. Downside breakout of this area can lead is 30 lower potentially towards 38,000 mark. The upside breakout of 39,280 can lead 30 market towards 39,500 or even higher. Take a look at the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, it seems like we had upside breakout. The market tried to sell out but found support in the rising middle Bollinger Band, and so far it seems like the market is getting two buyers this morning on this pullback. Seems like it's just a natural pullback, bull flag. You can see here that the Bollinger Bands are starting to contract, so we can expect some consolidation before the next directional move, also in intraday. Active gold market. So we had a down day yesterday. Market was pretty much extended, traded all the way to the 21.93 mark. Then we had a down day, close on the low. So based on the hourly time frame, we can see that now we can see contraction. Yesterday, this was, I think, first lows below lower Bollinger Band and hold since, I will say, since beginning of March. We never had a down break of the lower Bollinger Band and hold below. And that's a significant sign because that's a sign of weakness. We had pretty strong contraction. Look at this contraction and tightness, and then this was a downside breakout yesterday, and we closed multiple closes below the lower Bollinger Band. So this is a sign of weakness overall, and eventually this can lead to another downside swing, at least short term. So, and this will probably be the best, and this is something that I will cover on our trading idea section. I will speak more about this potential gold downside move short term. So stay tuned for that trading idea. I will speak more in detail, but so far, just to mention now that we're building somewhere like a bear flag and potential for the downside continuation. Speak more in details about this trading idea. Dollar index, as you can see, it's traded below the lower Bollinger Band, but the very next days where see the market and dollar index return into the Bollinger Band range again. If you check hourly time frame, it seems like you can see the bull flag is forming, and it seems like we can have another push higher towards 103.09 or even higher. You can also see the series of the higher lows, and all of this area we had is bull divergence and breakout to the upside. So seems like dollar index can rebound and have rally, which can help gold market go lower. And we have a Bitcoin versus US dollar, so we are at an all-time high at this point. So we have 70, almost 73,000 mark here in place, 73,000. What happened here, if you check hourly time frame, market traded below the lower Bollinger Band, but found reaction very fast and returned into the Bollinger Band range. Something similar we had here and here. Track. So just a test and reject, test and reject, break and fade, and this resulted in this rally and market to trade into the 73,000 mark. Now this is not particularly now as anything significant at this point. The daily time frame is still trading higher. No question about it. So short, mid-term trend are bullish. The upper Bollinger Band at this point is sitting around 70. I'll say 76,700 mark is upper Bollinger Band, which could be also next upside objective in case of this further upside momentum. But so far, I would like to see some reaction after the test of this upper Bollinger Band. On the hourly, can we see like a shallow pullback or a maybe bigger reversal, which can signal maybe some kind of the downside movement, or we can see that the upside breakout with a natural pullback, which can lead Bitcoin even to this 77,000 mark. And that will be all for this FX Centrum daily market analysis. If you didn't check our website, and you can do that, fxcentrum.com. You can visit and check our promotions. Open account, just a few clicks, and explore more FXCTV. We have a technical analysis every day where we do this all around. We go through those liquid markets and check what is going on and speak about potential levels and plays, and trading idea at least once per week. And it can be usually a short-term trading idea, and we write different tutorials, and very soon we'll have introduce webinars. So stay tuned for more updates, and wish you a good trading day.